Inputs. How to take input from user. Type Python in search as you see here. Open Python. Now click on File and click on New File. Or directly you can press Ctrl plus N. Now type N equal to input of inside parentheses within a double quotes. Now enter username colon. Now print the name. Print of name. To save the file, press Ctrl plus S. Now enter file name. Click on save or press enter in keyboard. Let's execute it. Click on run. Next, click on run module. Now enter your name. Press enter in keyboard. After that, you will see your name in next line because you typed print of name in your program. You can do this without a string in input function. That means I am clearing of enter username colon. After changes, you need to save the program. Now execute it. Type your name. Press enter in keyboard. That's it. You will get the same result.